Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing the basics of arrays using C programming. An array is a finite collection of similar data items stored in contiguous memory locations. These data items can be of primitive type, that is int, char, float, etc., or derived data types such as structure, pointers, etc. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Here I have taken an integer array A1 of size 5 and I have initialized these values. So A1 is the name of an array. Int specifies that this array will be storing integer values. 5 in the square bracket indicates that this array can store maximum 5 values, and these values should be initialized inside the curly bracket separated with comma. The diagram over here shows that the name of an array A1 is shared among all these elements, but these elements can be uniquely identified with the array indexes. Array indexes start from 0, hence the first element 50 has the index 0, the second element 70 has the index 1, and finally the last element 90 has the index 4, that is n-1. As we have seen, the data items are stored in contiguous memory locations. Assuming that this A1 has got the memory location as 100, all the other elements are stored one after another with the difference of 4 bytes, as these are the integer elements. Hence, we can say that A1 has been allocated 20 bytes of memory. Let's take another example. Here I have taken an integer array A2 of size 5, but I have initialized only 3 values. This is called as partial initialization. In partial initialization, remaining elements are initialized to 0. Hence, you can see the values 50, 70 and 80 have been given the indexes 0, 1 and 2 respectively, but on index 3 and 4, we have 0 as this is partial initialization. Hence, we can say that the array A2 has also been allocated 20 bytes of memory. We can store only the fixed size of elements in the array. Its size cannot grow or shrink at runtime. Here, let's see another example where I have taken an integer array A3 but I have not specified the size. So the number of bytes allocated to A3 will be dependent on the number of elements initialized. As I have initialized 4 elements, so 16 bytes of memory will be allocated for A3 as this is an integer array. If we do not specify the size, then initializing the array is important. In the next example, here I have just declared an array of integer type with the size as 10. I have not initialized any values. In this case, the initial values in the array are garbage. This can be useful when we want to accept the value from the user at runtime. That's all from my side. Thank you.